Gazania flower plant is an easy to grow winter's flowering plant that produces such type of beautiful flowers, and growing them is very easy if you know a few things. So in this video we will discuss about Gazania flower plant care tips going from point to point. So keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Gazania flower plant is a winter's annual flowering plant native to Southern Africa, where it is grown as an ornamental container plant. They have a wide range of colors and flower variations, which makes it a center of attention, especially if you are looking for an easy to grow and a common flower plant. Gazania plant is a non-toxic and non-edible plant that is originally grown outdoors but can be grown indoors too. It is majorly used for bedding, making borders and attracting pollinators to a vegetable garden. As though Gazania flower plant do have seeds to grow, but the best way to start them is to bring their younger saplings from the nursery. They are commonly available in winters and springs, and also in summers if you live in a cool climate area. Once you have this plant, shift them into 5 to 6 inches of a pot at the evening time and place them in a shaded area until the new growth appears. You will see they will sprout new leaves within a week, and soon they will be on blooming. The first and the most important thing in Gazania flower plant care is their proper seasoning. In right conditions, Gazania flower plant grow very effortlessly, very less problems will appear as well. So it's a cool area plant that likes a temperature range of 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. Between this temperature range, Gazania plant grow very fast. So overall their growing season starts in the early winters as soon as the temperature is in this range, and then it continues to grow over the whole winters and springs. Spring is its peak blooming time. You will find maximum blooming at this time. But once the summer starts, the exceeding temperature causes a shock on the plant and then it dies. But before dying, it do produces such type of seeds from their bloomed flowers, so you can collect them as well for the next season. Overall, Gazania plant is a winter's flowering plant, and summer's heat is not good for growing it unless you live in a cold climate area where the summers are not too hot. Hope you got the idea, and here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another very important thing to grow Gazania flower plant in pots is their soil mix. In a hard and water blocking mixture, Gazania plant never grow well. It's a plant with a crown, and too much moisture around the crown will kill it. So for Gazania flower plant, you should use a well draining and a slightly loose mixture. Somehow a sandy and fertile mixture works best for its healthiest root growth. Problems like root rot, stem rot and powdery mildew, which is common in Gazania plant, won't be an issue if your soil is draining out the extra moisture properly. Don't worry, you can make a good soil mix at home. Follow the recipe video added in the description box and I button. Another important thing in Gazania plant care is its proper watering. No matter how good your soil is, you still need to water carefully. Excessive moisture is not good for Gazania plant's growth. Simply follow a rule: let the upper layer of soil to dry and then water. Never water over a moist soil mix. You can stick your finger into the soil and see if it's moist or not. This way problems like yellow leaves and stunted growth etc. won't happen to your plants. Another very important thing in Gazania flower plant care guide is its sunlight requirement. Sunlight is necessary for every flower producing plant, just the amount of sunlight exposure differs. So for Gazania flower plant, sunlight is the most important thing. Without the sunlight, their flowers don't open. They will stay unbloomed or partially bloomed unless the sun is right. They grow very well in around 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight, and more than that will work even better. But at least make sure of a few hours. In a dark and shaded area, not only the growth fades away, but also the chance of pest attack and many other problems rises. So overall provide them a good sunny area that could be around a bright window or in direct sunlight. Just make sure of it. And for exploring more of such beautiful and low maintenance winter's flowers, you can follow the video added in the description box and I button. Another essential thing in Gazania flower plant care is its regular fertilization. Soil provides the nutrients to the plant and that ultimately converts into flowers. So for more flowers, your soil media should also have more nutrients in it, so that the plant can take it and make more flowers out of it. In general, Gazania flower plant is a light to moderate type of feeder that likes a normal dose of a balanced fertilizer. Your fertilizer must contain the basic elements like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron, etc. Don't worry, you can make such a fertilizer right at your home. Simply follow the video added in the description box and start using this fertilizer as soon as your Gazania plants are 1 month old, and then after every 2 weeks. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Another thing in Gazania Plant Care is their deadheading. It's an annual plant that works for making seeds for the next season. So if you leave the spent flowers on the plant, it will make such type of seeds and then the plant starts dying. Also the flowering reduces. So for a peak blooming, you need to cut off the dead and dried flowers whenever they appear on the plant. This will keep the buds and flowers coming. And to know more of such flowering secrets, you can follow this ebook. It's linked in the description box to buy. Pests like aphids, spider mites, etc. love this plant, so keep an eye on them, as though they won't appear if you follow this guide. Still, be careful as these pests are harmful. Or you can also follow a weekly Neem spray routine as a prevention. Video on Neem pesticide is linked in the description box and I button. So it's all about Gazania Flower Plant Care Guide. One discouraging thing about Gazania plant is that it's an annual plant with a short life cycle. So here is a list of flowering plants that lives for years, unlike Gazania Flower Plant. Must check them out and subscribe to our channel.